Welcome to part 76 of Daily English. Today's situation. School and work office conversations. How's your work going? Example. How's your work going this week? I'm busy today. Example. I'm busy today because I have several meetings. Let's discuss this later. Example. Let's discuss this later after lunch. I'll send you an email. Example. I'll send you an email this afternoon. Can we have a meeting? Example. Can we have a meeting tomorrow morning? Everything is ready. Example. Everything is ready for the presentation. I'll take care of it. Example. Don't worry. I'll take care of it. Thanks for letting me know. Example. Thanks for letting me know about the schedule change. Have a productive day. Example. Have a productive day. See you tomorrow. Mini conversation. Coworker A, how's your work going? Coworker B, I'm busy today, but everything is ready for the meeting. Coworker A, great. I'll send you an email with the final details. Coworker B, thanks for letting me know. I'll take care of the presentation. Coworker A, perfect. Have a productive day. Daily tip. Good communication keeps the office running smoothly. Share updates clearly, respond politely, and let your coworkers know when you've completed your tasks. Speaking challenge. Imagine you're talking with a coworker before a meeting. Discuss your work, say what tasks are ready, tell them you'll send an email, offer to take care of one task, and finish the conversation using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 77. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.